Right, hello everybody. I said I was going to do a little video on this the new little cluster and tag kit. This one, I've added some tags to this one. Okay, I've already put it up because I wanted to put it in because I got a sale from it was Sunday to the 19th, so 17th to the 19th, so you just might catch it. Won't take me long to edit this video and put it on, so hopefully you'll see it and just catch the sale because it's 30% off everything in my shop at the moment. And I thought I would give you a treat by putting the new one in. It's similar to the other one, but just a bit bigger elements. But of course you can shrink it down. Okay, 20 pages. Okay, I've just one of these. Okay. Oh, it's upside down. Let's have a look. There we go. And then there's a backing sheet, and then there's a tone on tone that goes with that one. But this one really is a tear sheet. You know, you can use some of these panels for different things in your journals. Okay, and then there's another 3. So there's one with some patterns on. Okay, when I was doing it, I was going to just do those 2, and then I put that on there and thought, well, I like that as well, so I've added that as well. And then a plain tone on tone. Then I've done this sheet that I've done this ages ago, and I thought, well, I'll put it in. It could come in handy for different things. It's that one, and then a sheet of washi. Okay, and all I do with that is put double-sided sticky tape in strips on the back, because I think I can't remember what I've done. It's about 3/4 of an inch, something like that. Well, half an inch strips. So the 1/2 inch tape worked great on those, and that's just on tracing paper. You don't have to do it like that. You can do it on normal paper. That's fine. Then I've got 2 pages of these toppers. Hopefully, yeah, you can see it right. There we go. That's one. And that's the other one. Nice and bright and cheerful for summer. Okay. Then I've done some really bright and cheerful tickets using the top, using these flowers and everything, so all coordinates. That's those. And then in the other cluster kit, there's a lot of numbers and everything. So, I mean, with the 2 kits together, gosh, you could do endless projects. And then just some little elements that you can use to layer up your things. And some just sort of, you can rip these and everything. There's some little music notes. I like music notes, so I've done some big elements there. And then some fussy cuts. They're quite big, so they can be shrunk down. Okay, I've done them at the biggest, where if you do 2 to a page, it's still a nice size, because I thought they looked nice and big. That's why I couldn't get too many on there, but and then some butterflies that will coordinate. And then here are the tags. These are done from the collage sheets. And these were done from a collage sheet that I've done personally, so I put them in. And then I've done some from the actual pages. There. Okay, I'll show you what it looks like shrunk down. That was the toppers. I've done 4 to a page there. So what I do 2 copies and 4 to a page. Okay, so I can get some tiny little elements. This is 2 to a page. These you have to do yourself. I mean, because there was 20 pages as it was, so. And that's 2 to a page. And those are slightly bigger, so it's 2 to a page. Tags 2 to a page. And then those are 2 to a page, so you could do your smaller clusters that way. Okay, so that is it. And again, I know loads of you have already purchased it. So Yeah, brilliant. I think you should have a lot of fun. Oh, and I will link a video that Yvonne's just done design team project for me, and she literally done it that night, I think, when I sent her the files, because absolutely amazing. I love what she's made, so I'll link her video below as well. Okay, thank you very much then, everybody. Speak to you soon. Bye.